SMS, check the one that is on queue, the send, the receive, and where you can run campaigns. This is where you send your WhatsApp, SMS, etc. The same, likewise like SMS. Now this is where you connect your Android. So an app comes, an application software. So it will be installed on your phone, and they will be told to download from here automatically. So once you click this, the application will be downloaded on your phone. Then you scan automatically it connects to your phone. So that is for the SMS part. The same thing works likewise as WhatsApp. So once you have an app on your phone, the SMS part is done. So as for the WhatsApp, once the API gateway is being set, you can add WhatsApp here. Then to tell you to select an account. You know how to link WhatsApp, of course. You scan the QR code, automatically work. So there's a server that will be connected to this WhatsApp, the server cloud API that will be connected that makes it work. As for the SMS, the Android gateway, once the app is installed on your phone, it works and you connect to your phone, works with it. That is for that. And it also has USD option where you can use some codes, set a code request for it to send SMS, etc. And you can also group the contact lists, and it also have way for you to add so many users for them to use it. And of course it's a SaaS platform whereby you can you can make people buy and pay for monthly subscription, which is this what is it called? It's a SaaS option whereby people can use this particular software to for their own purpose. You'll be collecting monthly subscription from it. So you can set the package how you want it, you can set subscription for that, and you can set the payouts, maybe PayPal, maybe Paystack, maybe Stripe, you can set it for that. And of course this is where you set the gateways. And the SMS has two options. You can also set a third party option with the like of Twilio, like of Mailjet, SendGrid. SendGrid. Mailjet is for email. So of course the WhatsApp has its own server, or how you can connect its own server. As I mentioned, without connecting the server, you can't use WhatsApp. So I can get that done for you as well. So you can see on the screen. You can hire me. If you want to purchase software, let me know. And of course, I can help you set it up from beginning to end. It also has a way of you doing a link shortener. Maybe if you want to post a link somewhere, you can generate just like it works like Bitly, tiny URL, can generate a link shortener for it as well. So it's as easy as that. This is where you set your dashboard, your pages on how you want it to display. You have a home page for it as well. So in case you want to sell the service, you can set the terms and conditions, you can set the privacy policy, you can also set the packages, how much you want to charge them per usage, etc, per devices, etc. It's as easy as ABC. So let me know if you have questions. Let me know if you want to install this. Contact me on the screen. The details on the screen. And don't forget to like this video and drop your comment if you have question for me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.